Sorry, I was muted. Sorry, my microphone was muted again. I'm sorry. Now I think you can hear me. Okay. All right. So again, today is the 24th of September on Tuesday, and welcome back to my another live stream today. I hope you're having a great day, great week so far, and so today I'm here to share my analysis among the Forex market and also some other markets as well. Okay, so yeah, let me see. So just for the heads up, October class on GTS is available, and it will start in 2 weeks. So if you're interested, please let me know. Okay. So yesterday we had lots of big news, as I mentioned on Sunday's weekly forecast. And some of the markets are moving quite big. Like for example, I think Euro Pound was moving very big also. And so today I have selected a few pairs to discuss. So let me quickly switch screen to trading view. Okay. So one of the pairs I was monitoring today is AUD-CAD, as it's breaking the resistance of 0.9263. This was a resistance from 15th of July, and this resistance level is quite strong, and now it's breaking bullish. So I expect the price moves up continuously towards the target, which is 0.9546 level. This is 4-hour time frame, and I like the 4-hour time frame on this one because after the P wave breakout, the Kumo is continuously getting thicker and bigger, so it's showing the strong momentum to break that resistance level. So once after the market breaks the resistance, of course there must be some ups and downs until the market reaches the target, but my view is that until the market reaches there, my view is bullish. So that's what I mean by the target in this case. And also the market was supported by the 4-hour Kijun Sen. So let me just zoom in and discuss this Kijun Sen bounce over here. I think the connection here is not really good, so it's a bit lagging on trading view. But here there is a Kijun Sen bounce, and the price is moving up and broke the resistance level. So AUD-CAD was one of my best pairs this week, as we discussed. I mean, yeah, I discussed this on a membership live stream yesterday. I have been selecting these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs mainly to monitor today, I mean this week. But so this is one of them actually. I was waiting for the breakout, and actually it's happening right now. So anyone, is anyone trading right now on any pairs, any markets right now? Looks like this is towards the end of September, but the markets are active still. So yeah, it's quite it's really nice to see these markets active. This summer the markets were really trending, and now also it's trending too, so it's good. Let me also remind everyone about the news before move on. if there's big news ahead, then basically no trade. So today, in about 21 minutes, there will be a speech, RBA, in Australia, press conference. I think it was. Hold on, let me refresh just in case. Yeah, so there will be a press conference there. And later on today, there will be BOC's Governor Macklem speech in Canada. So these are basically big news today. So since there is a press conference in 20 minutes, I advise not to trade right now, but we can still look for the markets to trade in 20-30 minutes. If there is no impact among the markets of this news, then you can still enter trade. So let's see. Let's wait for 20 more minutes while discussing the markets and see how this news affects the pairs. And also, whenever I analyze the market, I do look at the currency strength chart. So let me put this one up here. And by looking at the currency strength chart, you can see exactly which currency is strong and weak at the moment. So here is the strength chart. You can actually find the link on below this description, including how to use the strength chart. I have the video, so please view the video and also the link to check this website. It's available for free for anyone. So right now at this moment, Australian dollar is bullish now, and light blue JPY is bearish. So the strongest momentum at this time right now is AUD JPY. It is going up. So that's the strongest market. So this is only in within a day in 5-minute basis strengths. So if you check the strength chart, let's say a couple of hours later, then the situation may be different. Especially this is still before UK Open, so it may be different, but so far it's been like this. So you cannot technically trade based on the strength chart. I always check the chart first with Ichimoku lines and price action. Then for the last push, I check the strength chart and make sure the strength is enough when I enter the trade. Because AUD/JPY is bullish now, but if it's range, as per Ichimoku viewpoint, then the direction can change anytime. So this strength chart is not reliable to trade, but if this is going along with the major trend direction, then that will be the best. That's how you can use the strength chart. Okay, so yeah, let me say hi to everyone quickly now. Okay, good to see you everyone. Thanks for joining today. It's the 24th of September on Tuesday. Alright, and Hafa, good to see you. Omkar, thanks for joining. Rafael, good to see you here. And Salim, thanks for joining. And Snail, good to see you. Alright, and Bring It, good to see you too. Thanks for joining. Alright, and Yvonne, good to see you too. CSM, thanks for joining. Ivan, good to see you. Freddy, thanks for joining too. Still holding Euro Pound. Okay, that's great. That's great. So you must be running some nice profits by now. That's good. Okay, and Vila, thanks for joining as well. Wisdom Friday, good to see you. Babak, thanks for joining. Yes, sir. Good to see you too. Thanks for joining too. Let's see. Snail says stimulus package in China bad for Indian equities. Yeah, I am not really sure about that. I mainly trade Forex, and I only check the news which affects Forex markets. CSM says Euro Pound weekly time frame is oversold, right? Because Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are touching each other going down, but daily time frame is in the nice downtrend. So can I enter the trade? Thanks, Kay. Euro Pound weekly time frame oversold. Let me see. So Euro Pound and the weekly time frame. Yeah, weekly time frame is showing Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen touching, so it's oversold. Yes, that's right. However, if you see the stable, thicker Kumo in the lower time frames, you can still enter the trade. Yeah, even if it's oversold, you can still enter trade. But it might retrace anytime soon, so you better monitor closely. This one is nice also because it broke the support level 0.8381 and it's heading towards 0.8202, the swing support. So this is another nice market to monitor and also take trade. Let me check the daily time frame. So daily time frame is showing it's yeah, it broke the support, Kumo's getting thicker, and the price is now below Tenkan-sen, so this one is good. We have a potential pips we can take about 113 or 16 pips or so. So Euro Pound looks good to trade also. So yeah, you can check the chart after the news and see if it's still going down. Okay, Snail says trading Nifty chart. Alright. Nifty is still bullish at this moment. Okay, looks like lots of people are trading Euro Pound today as it's breaking the support. So yeah, let me dig into this one a bit deeper here. Here is a daily time frame. Again, daily time frame shows a support level breakout, and especially yesterday on Monday, the news affected towards the bearish side, and it's continuously downtrending. Chikou span is all the way down, away from the candles. So it's bearish. Sellers are dominant over buyers in this market, in this time frame. And then I also look at the 4-hour time frame. And 4-hour time frame is also showing the price is going down, and also the Kumo is thicker and bigger, as you can see here. So yeah, 4-hour time frame is also looking good, and the market has been resisted by the Tenkan-sen once, twice, and 3 times, 4 times or so. So Euro Pound is now showing stable downtrend momentum. And what I usually do is so daily and 4-hour time frames are what I call the higher time frames. They make sure that either time frame is going down or up per Ichimoku situation. And also after I confirm the trend in higher time frames, then I check the middle time frames, which are 1-hour time frame and a 30-minute time frame. So first I check the 1-hour time frame. And 1 hour is currently bearish also, as Kumo is down. Senko span A is down, Senko span B is down. Kijun Sen is also pointing down. Price is below the Tenkan Sen and Chikou span below the candles. So 1 hour is also showing stable downtrend as Kumo is getting thicker and bigger. So this is confirmed downtrend based on 1 hour time frame. I mean, so the reason why I take this middle time frame confirmation is because I used to trade based on higher time frames like daily or 4 hour time frames only to enter trades. But sometimes or oftentimes, even if it's trending, retracements do happen. So to prevent from that retracement, to lower the chance for the retracement after the entry, I start to check the middle time frames, 1 hour and 30-minute time frames. So that's basically the second step I do every time I enter trade. So then, since 1 hour is going down, then I usually execute trades but based on the 5-minute time frame. So I switch down to the 5-minute time frame. And on M5, I don't use Ichimoku, but instead I use the different indicators, which are the Bollinger Bands and also stochastic. So this is how it shows. Ichimoku I found is a bit too lagging, so I decided not to use Ichimoku. Before I used to use Ichimoku, I was only using the part of Ichimoku strategies like Chikou span breakout or Kumo breakout or Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, dead cross, gold cross. But now I decided not to use it, and instead I'm using the Bollinger Bands and stochastic like this. So then I look for an entry opportunities. So again, in about 10 minutes, there will be big news. So I'm not going to enter trade right now, but I can see that there is a nice momentum bearish here. First, in terms of the price action, I see double top. And here is the neckline. The neckline was broken bearish, and that's why there's a huge bar happened. And then also it broke the support. This bearish bar broke the previous support level on the 5-minute time frame. So this is one of the confirmations for this bearishness. This is one of the reasons to enter trades. So every time I enter trades, I don't enter simply just because it's going down or up, but like this, I look at the 5-minute time frame and exactly look for the reasons to enter trade. So I never trade based on gut feelings. I never trade based on intuitions. So all my entries are backed up by logical thinking. So, and not only that, I also look for 3 entry confirmations on the 5-minute time frame, and neckline breakout was actually one of them. So I look for 2 other confirmations and enter the trade. And now also in terms of the stochastic, I see dead cross. Right, so dead cross is one of my entry confirmations. So in this way, I build up my entry confirmations so that it prevents me from jumping into the market. And also I know exactly what I'm looking for, waiting for to enter trade. So if you're building your own strategy, then you better build the strategy based on the logics behind. I have tested this strategy 100 trades on all pairs on my watch list, and I proved myself that it works. I got the profit factor of 3 to 5 on all these pairs when I backtested it 100 times. So that's why they are here. I backtested it on New Zealand pairs, but their performance was a bit lower. That's why I don't have New Zealand pairs on my watch list. So once you build a strategy, then simply don't apply it. You better backtest it and prove yourself that your profit factor is higher, and also your risk-reward ratio overall is more than 3. Then you will never lose in that case. So since I'm a trend follower, I build a strategy like this. And since I only trade Forex, major pairs, which they are going up and down every week, so I'm not a swing trader. I am more into like day to short term, like day to like swing trading style. Not like I'm not usually holding the trade for few weeks or few months. That's because they are moving up and down every week. So yeah, let's see. The news happens in about 5 minutes. So let's wait until it happens and see how the news affects this market. So yeah, Euro Pound is, I think, I selected Euro Pound as one of my best pairs this week. So hopefully it goes bearish continuously and make some more profits in this market. Now it's retraced because it touched the support. But this is only the 5-minute time frame. It's such a lower time frame, so it can go up and down. But you better be patient until you see the next downtrend momentum to be able to sell. So let's see. To be safer, you can wait for the breakout of the support level here, 0.8317. But let's see how it goes. Or the scenario is that the market will be resisted by the previous support level, the neckline of double top, then goes bearish. So with those kind of scenarios in mind, I monitor the chart and see how it plays out. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so we will come back this one. Okay, in the meantime, let me check some more comments here. Rafael says, I'm looking at CCL outside inside but engulfing. We wait for the breakout. Okay, yeah, when you see inside outside but breakout, that's quite strong. Well, inside but breakout or outside but breakout itself is already strong, but when you see both inside and outside but breakout, usually the breakout bar becomes bigger than other candlesticks. So I think that will be a great opportunity to trade. Okay, Giflin says, can you tell your analysis on Euro USD? Right, Euro USD, I didn't select the market this week, but let me see how it's moving. So we'll come back on Euro Pound later, but quickly, we have still a few minutes. Euro USD, here is a weekly time frame, and right, I'm looking for the entry opportunity also bullish. To me, it's bullish, and it's about to break the resistance of 1.12. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Here, there is a strong sellers momentum here. So after the breakout, there's a new high here closely. So to me, it's a bit risky to trade when the resistances are close by like this. And also, I've seen lots of other pairs which has bigger room to trade, just like Euro Pound that we saw earlier. I prefer to focus on other pairs this week than Euro USD. But it's bullish. I think Euro USD is bullish at the moment. Okay, hello Abdul, thank you for joining, good to see you. Okay, Babak says, please say about gold too, especially in 4-hour time frame. What number do you think would be the biggest pullback before reaching the target 2700? For example, is it possible to retrace to 4-hour Kijun Sen today? Okay, yeah, gold is now moving up also. So So let me do quick analysis on that one too. Okay, commodity and XAUUSD. So yeah, I said the target is 2700, and now it's still bullish. The Kumo is getting thicker, bigger on the weekly time frame, so the price may reach 2700 within this week. It's possible too. But if I analyze deeper in the lower time frames, daily time frame is showing Tenkan-sen bounce. So that means the price may bounce, price may retrace to the daily Tenkan-sen along the way up. Or if you check the 4-hour time frame, then 4-hour is also supported by the Tenkan-sen. I think 4-hour Tenkan-sen support in this case is more reliable. So that means as long as the price above the 4-hour Tenkan-sen, you keep holding the trade. But once the market breaks a Tenkan-sen bearish, then you may not want to keep holding the trade anymore. The sellers, I mean the buyers in the short term, which is the Tenkan-sen in 4-hour, has been the market sentiment at this moment, not the Kijun-sen, not the Chikou span, or not the Senko span AB. So here we can follow the Tenkan-sen momentum in a 4-hour time frame. And Kumo is thicker and bigger also in 4 hours, so the retracements do happen, of course, or consolidation may happen like here. But I mean like here. So along the way up, it may consolidate again. I'm sure it consolidates again. Then bounce on the Tenkan-sen, then goes up again. So that's the scenario. If the market breaks the Tenkan-sen bearish, then it may go down to Kijun-sen. Yeah. Okay, so seems like the news is over now. Let me come back to the website. Okay, and yeah, so the speech is now happening, the press conference is now happening. So it's actually up to what they say about some markets, about the discussion. But let me see now. In 3 minutes, let's check the strength chart and see if any of the pairs are affected at the time of the press conference start. So again, coming back to Euro Pound as today's main topic. Okay, Euro Pound 4 hours continuously down, and 1 hour is continuously down too. So I monitor based on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, I see a nice little pullback here. Nice little pullback here. So hopefully the market goes down and breaks and support and goes bearish continuously. I see also that the market has been supported by this. This is Bollinger-Bands, deviation 1 here. So when the price is going down between the deviations 1 and 2, that's called the band walking, which is one of my entry reasons. So let's see Euro Pound, how this one plays out. In about 1 minute, I will check the strength chart and get more detail analysis. So yeah, this time I think this is still 2:30 p.m. in Japan time. So my live stream is starting, not non-regular time. But this week I will be back in Dubai. So then I will most likely do the live at original schedule. But I think from next week, I think I will be doing live streams more like flexibly. I think whenever the market trends, I do analysis, or whenever I have time, I do analysis. Because everything is saved on the archive, so you can actually check them in case you miss one of the lives. And also, after this public live stream, I will be doing the membership live stream in about a few minutes. And if there are some opportunities, we take trades together there. I was going to talk about the reverse price action, but since the markets are active today, maybe we can trade together in the community. So for those who are KTS Academy and GTS members, I will see you after this public live stream. So, okay, so now let me check the strength chart since 5 minutes passed already. And I reload the strength chart. And okay, so looks like there's no impact at the start of the press conference. So if that's the case, we can continue, monitor, and look for an opportunity to trade. So again, in this 5-minute time frame on Euro Pound, after confirming downtrend in higher and the mid time frames that we discussed earlier, then we have a dead cross of stochastic, and also previous neckline breakout. So these are my two confirmations, and I'm waiting for the last confirmation to happen to enter sell. If the last confirmation don't happen, then I do not enter trade. So seems like it's now testing the previous support level, which is 0.8320. So let me draw the horizontal line there too. So yeah, it's testing that level. So let's see if it goes bearish from here or not. Okay. Yeah, Giffen, you're welcome. Okay, Freddy says, I'm monitoring on Euro AUD and Pound USD in a daily and 4-hour are trending nicely. How to select which pair the best? Right, you can select the pair based on the Kumo shape and also the strengths. From the strength chart perspective, let me see right now, Euro AUD Pound USD. So let me see. So you can actually double click on these dots. So let me just show Euro and AUD. Okay, and Pound and USD. Pound and USD. So obviously the strength of AUD, Euro AUD is bigger than the Pound USD. So I would select Euro AUD to trade. The momentum is much stronger. So that means when you enter trade, the market goes faster on Euro AUD than Pound USD. So it's more time efficient to make profits in shorter time on Euro AUD. Yeah, Euro AUD. Now they are contracting, they are retracing. Looks like the news is now affecting the market, so they are a bit retracing. But let's see. Okay. Let's see. Makimoku says, is your band walk 3 candles in the row on the edge regardless of color? Yes. Yes. And Hafa says, what tool are you using to draw? This is the tool in Mac. I'm using, this is not the drawing tool on TradingView. This is the drawing tool on MacBook. Okay, so now as I monitor the chart, looks like the market is breaking the neckline bullish. So here I wait for the candlestick close. I don't simply say that they broke already because it hasn't closed yet. And it takes another 50 seconds to close. So far it's been bullish bar, but we never know. By the time it closes, it may become a pin bar, it may become a bearish bar or pin bar like this, tiny body and a long wick. If that's the case, and from next candlestick onwards, the price may go down. So here we have to be patient until the end of the candlestick. I mean the candlestick close. That we better wait. So 18 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. Most likely closes above the neckline, looks like. Okay, now it closed, and it closed clearly above the neckline. So that means this is going against the major direction now. Again, the major direction was downtrend, but it broke the neckline bullish. And you know that the trend, the market follow the major trend direction, but new trend starts from the lower time frames. So if this is a reverse, and if the market breaks the neckline, then that means this market may be bullish after this. Or it could be range too. It just goes up and down in a range. But either way, I can see that the market lost the momentum of the bearishness by this breakout. So yeah, now, and also I see N wave. I can see an N wave here, bullish N wave against major direction too. So I can see that the buyers are going into the market than sellers from here. So this is one of the ways to prevent from the drawdowns, as I do not jump in the market just because it broke, just because it's going down, or just because it's trending down. This is the way to avoid the fake signals. If you enter trade already, then you should be running losses. Maybe you saw the breakout of the support here, and if you enter the trade then it's been bullish already. So yeah, it's better to build a strategy logically, and not to jump in the market. Okay, so it looks like it's going up already in 5-minute time frame. Then I think I will finish the live stream today, and I will be switching the live stream to KTS Academy and also GTS members. I already announced it in Discord, so I will share the link to join the next live stream. So to those who are members, I will see you soon. And to those who join public live stream, I will see you on the next one. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much for joining today. Cloud Academy says gold analysis. Oh, I did gold analysis already. So please check the archive. It's bullish basically. So the target is 2700 still. So yeah, again, thank you very much. Until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you very much.